Yes.
You're charged with aggravated kidnapping. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5.
Pause right here. This is not a routine plea. Aggravated kidnapping is one of the most serious charges in Texas. 5 years is the floor. 99 or life is the ceiling. Everything you're about to hear happens under that shadow.
5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. All right, court is calling 2022 CR 10958A, State versus Eric Gonzalez Lopez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Defense?
Kathy Compton for Mr. Gonzalez Lopez.
Excuse me, don't talk behind the court reporter. We're on the record. Just ask the deputy to move you to the other end. All right, sorry about that. And we have and are you Eric Gonzalez Lopez?
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
All right. You may lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Your Honor, the interpreter's name is Jorge Valle.
All right. Mr. Gonzalez Lopez, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
And Attorney Compton, do you speak Spanish?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you speak it fluently?
Yes, I do.
And were you able to explain these documents to your client?
This matters more than people realize. The court is locking in the record. Interpreter present, attorney fluent, documents explained. That closes the door on any future claim of confusion or coercion.
In Spanish?
Yes, I was.
Attorney, did you receive all discovery?
Yes, I did.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes, I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
No, there are not, Your Honor.
Sir, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, did you review the documents entitled Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with aggravated kidnapping. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea, you are giving to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor, we've discussed all of the aspects of the case.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
I'm sorry?
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea bargain agreement you've reached?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Counsel, were you able to confer with your client concerning the impact this plea will have on his immigration status?
Yes, Your Honor. And I would like to state for the record that I'm board certified in criminal law, but I've also been an immigration practitioner for about 20 plus years. And I did explain to him what these certain consequences of a plea in this case would be for him.
All right. Mr. Gonzalez, Lopez, do you understand the consequences of entering into this plea bargain agreement and the impact it will have on your immigration status?
Yes.
Do you understand by entering into this plea, you will be deported and not allowed re-entry into the United States?
This is the real cost of the plea, and it's irreversible. Prison time ends, deportation doesn't. By saying yes here, he's trading 5 years in custody for permanent removal from the U.S. Would you still take that deal?
I do understand.
And you do understand that you will not be denied naturalization?
Yes.
Knowing this, do you still wish to continue with the plea?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. Did you understand there's a $2,000 fine? If the court finds from the stipulated evidence that a weapon was used, there will be an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There are no applications and there is to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense is that
That single phrase, affirmative finding of a deadly weapon, changes everything. It affects parole eligibility, future sentencing, and post-release consequences. This isn't just 5 years, it follows him for life.
the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
We don't states one in attachments.
No objection.
And state, have you spoken to the complainant?
Yes, sir.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find
No jury, no witnesses, no cross-examination. The conviction is based entirely on paperwork and police reports because he agreed to it. This is how fast justice moves when a plea is locked in.
you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are asking to do so, yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I would just request that you follow the plea bargain. It's been a very lengthy negotiation. My client is quite young, and he was, while not trying to deny any of the responsibility, and certainly he understands what he did was definitely not something he should have done. He's extremely young at the time of this offense, and he was one of the lesser actors, I guess you would say, in the incident. So we're just asking that you follow the plea bargain and sentence him to the 5 years that we negotiated.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There's to be no re-entry into the United States. And there's to be no contact with the following persons. Fräulein Guzman Velasquez, Randy Lopez Benitez, Hector Lopez Nahara, Jose Julian Casas Lopez. All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to consider allowing him contact with, I believe, Fräulein, who is his stepfather, and his mother and Fräulein are married. So,
All right.
this,
But these are United States orders. You're not allowed re-entry into the United States. You understand?
Yes.
All right.
thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, I do understand.
Final takeaway? Youth didn't save him. Cooperation didn't undo the harm, and the plea didn't soften the consequences. The judge followed the deal, but made the lesson unmistakable. Was this justice served, or a future erased too soon? Comment below.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're young, but that is no excuse to try to build your happiness off somebody else's misery. The people that you did this to were trying to come here, and you, your family, treated them badly. That's not allowed. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.